Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how I made these backdrop panels for my friend's baby shower. First, of course, we're gonna take a trip to Home Depot and get some supplies. Then we're gonna roughly cut our materials. Then with a jigsaw, we're gonna cut this hardboard to the shape we wanted, kind of to get our panels. Then I have all my panels there. Then I'm gonna attach my support for my legs with some wood glue and a super sturdy metal. Then we're gonna drill in our shell brackets I used there, and then I lightly scoop the finish of these hardboards so when I apply the primer will attach better. Here we spray paint primer and paint. We decide to keep those white, so then we just had to toss in a piece of fabric to cover them now and just make them any color. This was a really fun part. After this, here you can see how they turned out. I think they were really cool and beautiful. Then we just tossed in fabric and they were done.